Good morning, everyone, and welcome to WordCamp Kathmandu 2023. And I am here to share my experience on decoding the process of content ideation for SEO success. Uh, let's start with amazing fact. Only 0.3% of website reach Google first page within the publishing content in a year, right? So basically, what we can understand here, uh, for better SEO success or better ranking, we have to create a proper plan, right? So talking about myself, I have completed my bachelor in physics from 3-1 University, and I have been working in this field for more than 5 years. And I have till now I have worked on more than 80 websites. So let's discuss what we will discussing in this session. First of all, we will discuss the significance of content in SEO success. After that, how why we should create a content plan for SEO, and after that, we will understanding the topical authority, and after that, we will deep dive in how to build topical authority and what are the best practices, and after that, we will create a topical map. Okay, so let's begin. Let's start with what are the significance of creating content for our website. So, uh, content is a way to communicate with users, right? If we have to communicate with users or customers, then we have to write content for that. So, in order to provide value or user engagement, content play very vital role for our websites. And proper content and well depth content also help to boost our EEAT score, right? And another factor, it's also increase our dwell time because EEAT factor and dwell time uh, positively impact our SEO and it's boost our overall ranking of the web pages. And after that, it's also increase overall search visibility throughout every search engine platform, right? And another huge factor that Google recently focusing on topical authority. To build topical authority, contents play a very significant role. Okay, so now let's discuss why should we create content plan for SEO, right? One thing we all know, backlink is a huge factor for SEO, right? To gain backlink naturally we have to plan content, right? And another factor is to fill success gap, right? Success gap is something like user is demanding and you are not fulfilling that, right? And if your competitor are using and you are not going through that process, then uh, you have to create proper plan, right? And lastly, to increase topical authority, right? Let's understand what topical authority is, right? So topical authority is something that you are expert on that area. For example, if you are creating WordPress, then you have to cover all those things around the WordPress, right? So this basically means topical authority on that particular niche, right? So if you want to build topical authority in any niches, then you have to write content around those fields, right? And how we can achieve that? So to achieve that, we have to work on depth of this content, and we have to maintain consistency, right? So in order to build topical authority, we have to create a topical map, right? So this is how a topical map look like. We have to define an entity, right? Or maybe you can say a root keyword. At first, we have to define root keyword. Let's say in this example, t-shirt, right? So we are now covering all those topics around this main entity t-shirt. For example, main t-shirt, kids t-shirt, woman t-shirt might be we can create by brands, for example, Nike t-shirts, right? And maybe we can use manual guides how to buy a t-shirt or what are the things that we should care. So basically what I'm trying to say is we have to cover all those things around the main entity t-shirt. And here is one of example, right? So now, how to create topical map? This is the biggest question, right? Okay, so let's dive in. First of all, we will use SEO tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, right? And first of all, we have to define root keywords that niche you are working in, right? And we have to put those keywords on SEO tool like SEMrush and Ahrefs, right? And we have to click on broad maths, and after that we will get result around this topic, and we have to select carefully within this topic, right? And after reviewing carefully what topic may be aligned with the main center topic, then we will list down from SEO tool. Okay. So what another method that we can use to list out the topic, analyzing our competitor. We analyze our competitor that ranks almost every niche's keyword. For example, if you are searching WordPress theme, then most of the competitor are ranking consistently around all the topics along WordPress, right? So we have to analyze those competitor, not who is ranking for one keywords or occasionally ranking, right? So we have to analyze those competitor who are consistently ranking around those fields. And again, we will go through SEO tools, for example, SEMrush, and we will put their links on SEMrush tool. And again, we will analyze their keywords, what keywords they are ranking, right? And again, we will uh, filter it by broad mass and filter it by root keywords. We can use root keywords to filter it out. And from this, we can also list out the topic for our main entities. And now, last but not the least, we can use AI tool. Our previous speaker already told about the significance of using AI. We can use every field. We can use in every field. ChatGPT-4 is helpful for creating topic, creating content, everything. So basically, what matters here is what prompt you are giving, right? So to provide a better prompt, we have to assign a role to the ChatGPT or maybe any AI tool. For example, we can say act as a SEO specialist, act as a SEO analyst, or maybe act as a content strategist. First part will be assigning the role to the AI, right? And the second part will be what result that we are expecting. For example, create me a topical authority around this root keyword or root entities, this, right? And the third part will be what we are not expecting to get, like don't give this one what we are not expecting, right? So in three part we will assign a prompt, right? And after giving this prompt, the AI will provide us result like that, right? We have got topical cluster around the main topic WordPress, right? And this way we can collect the topics around the main topic WordPress. So these are the major three way to create topical cluster, or we can say topical map, right? We can also use social media to research topical cluster. For example, if you are creating something, then go on Pinterest and search what other queries, other questions user are asking related to that. For example, WordPress, then definitely there might be a problem how to fix WordPress plugin, how to use WordPress theme, right? So there might be get another things also that what I am trying to say, we can use social media platform like Pinterest, Quora, question answer platform in order to get other topics related to your main root keywords. Okay. So after all these things, after all this method, we are come up with result like this. We have a pillar page or pillar content. For instance, we can assume WordPress website development, right? And we also get the subtopic around the pillar page, right? For example, choosing the right WordPress LMS, WordPress theme, and all, right? So what we have right now, we have the main entities and their subtopic. And writing on these topics will create our topical authority in this niche, and we will dominate in this area, right? And what another benefit from these clusters will be internal linking, right? External linking is a cherry on the cake, we all know, but external linking is sorry on the cake, but internal linking is the foundation of your SEO, right? If we do proper internal linking, then it really boosts our overall website performance, right? So creating pillar page and subtopic like this, or we can say topical cluster like this, help to link internally, right? And in this way we can boost our overall site performance and gain topical authority around this topic. Okay, thank you. That's all from my side. And you can find me on Facebook, Twitter, and we can you can find me on LinkedIn as well.